Mrs. Palmerville, the Director of Student Services, told us about the new cafeteria changes and how they are benefiting students.
So we have some great new changes that are happening in the cafeteria here at East. One of the big changes is, obviously you guys all know, the availability of having your laptops with you. So we're really excited about that. You'll also notice that the gaming area is open. There are no restrictions now. And then finally there's the board out front, which kind of tells you guys when you're allowed to leave and who's going to be working at the cafeteria. The reason we changed was simply we wanted to obviously give you as students some flexibility within the cafeteria, but we also wanted to make sure that students had something to do. What we found was sometimes kids didn't have things to do. So by having those laptops available to you guys, it gives you an opportunity to do some things that maybe are a little quieter and keeping you engaged.
We asked multiple students about how they feel the new changes are affecting East.
Well, I've noticed that you can go to the game room at any time now, and I've noticed that they posted the times on a whiteboard in the cafeteria, and also I've noticed that you can now have your computers in the lunchroom now.
I think the current rules just weren't really working well, and there was a lot of people who weren't really happy with them, and a lot of people wanted to be able to bring their computers to work on homework or just to play games.
Administration is continuing to monitor the new changes to assure they're being used for their original purpose.
I think we'll continue to look at student behavior and making sure that students aren't destroying things. You know, one of the things that we talked about at length was making sure that the computers that you guys were given were also being kept safe and things weren't dropping on them and food and all that fun stuff. So we'll continue to look at the data and make sure that you guys are successful as well as the equipment that you're given.
I think overall it's been really positive. I think everyone likes the ability to bring their computer to lunch and to be able to go to the game area faster.
This has been Lauren and Abby reporting for Trojan TV.